If you cough, sneeze, or spit on an essential worker intentionally, you could get locked up. A new and interesting bill is set to be discussed today in St. Louis, and our Justin Andrews is live this morning for us at City Hall. And Justin, a man has been arrested for something like this in the state already.
Yeah, and some may look at this bill as a bizarre bill for city leaders to be talking about. But as you mentioned, we've already seen a guy arrested and charged with a terroristic threat for coughing on shoppers. The local bill we're talking about here will prohibit anyone from intentionally coughing, sneezing, or spitting on essential workers during this pandemic period. The bill defines essential workers as anyone from grocery store workers, emergency responders, healthcare workers, and a lot more. All right, so the 33-year-old Cuba, Missouri man was arrested more than a month ago after coughing on shoppers inside a store and writing, quote, COVID inside the cooler. The store was forced to shut down and sanitize. He's being held on a $25,000 bond for charges of making that terroristic threat. Under this local proposed bill, though, a person violating this could potentially face up to about 90 days in behind bars and also a $500 fine, up to $500. We're live at City Hall this morning. I'm Justin Andrews, News 4.
All right, Justin, thank you very much.